So today I've just got a little short video. What we're going to do is we're going to take this KADEE 206. It's an insulated multi-purpose coupler height gauge, and they're easy to put together, easy to use. But I'm going to show you how to put it together and how to use it and why it's useful. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put together the KADEE HO scale insulated multi-purpose coupler height gauge. And what the purpose of this is so that when you are adding knuckle couplers to rail cars, it gives you the height that you need to have in order for it to couple correctly. Now, the National Model Railroad Association has the height that they're supposed to be, but regardless, you want to make sure that all your cars have the same height coupling so you don't have this going on, or sometimes you'll get it so it's like halfway between each, and that's not good either. So this little gauge right here is really simple to put together, and it comes with the KADEE sampler kit. And yeah, there's quite a few pieces in there, but it's not a big deal to put it together. So you got a bunch of washers and shims in here to help you get it to the right height. So what we're going to do, first of all, take a look at this first to make sure there's no flash or burrs or anything left over from machining. Here's our gauge right here, and it's pretty small. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your whisker coupler, you're going to put it down on the foot plate. There's your foot plate there, and there's your trip, so be careful when you put that on. This right here is your gauge dowel, so that goes down inside. This is the grease on that comes with the kit, and what you want to do is just put a little puff of that on there, and it's graphite, so it's a lubricant. And now once we get that on there, we can go ahead and put the cover on, and you can see the two pins there that match up with the two holes there, and that just goes on like that. And then you take your screw, go ahead and hook that in. Don't over tighten it, just make it snug. So the way this works is you have your track. So we'll take this straight track here, and you lay this on the track like this. You see it fits right in the track. So you put this on your track, and then you take one of your rail cars and you put it on. What will happen is when you connect it, obviously this is a one hook coupler, I haven't changed it yet. You'll see that it'll either hook in correctly or it'll be too high. Or so if your coupler is too high, you put this in the gearbox before you put the coupler in to bring the height of the coupler down. If the coupler is too low, what you do is you put the coupler in the gearbox, put these shims on, and that'll bring it up. Then you can go ahead and close the gearbox up. And that's how you set that up. Here's our height gauge here. This fits right inside the tracks, so then we can take a look at that. And then we come up and take a look at the train, and you can see it's a perfect fit. For watching the short video today. I've got more coming, and I appreciate you hanging out with me. Take care.